guys, today I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing video for the month of February. So I have my Boxycharm box right here, and for those of you who don't know about Boxycharm, basically what it is it's this monthly subscription program where you pay $21 a month to get this box filled with about 4 or 5 makeup products a month, and this retails for over $100 every month, but you're only paying $21 for it. So it's a great subscription box if you want to invest in it. I really recommend it. So once you open this box, then this is all the goodies it comes with. Each month has a different theme, which is so cute. This month's theme is Galaxy Glow. So it has 5 different makeup products in the box this month. On the back of it, it tells you all the different makeup products in there and the price that it retails for and a little description of it. So let me just show you what's inside February's box. So the first thing in the box are these brushes, and it's the Crown Brush Trio brush set. It comes with 3 brushes and they're super cute. They look really soft, so let me just open that up. I always seem to get confused on what each brush is for whenever I get a bunch of brushes, so I'm just going to read it off of the description because that'll be more accurate than what I'm trying to figure it out. You could use this 3-piece Pro Brush Trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush, which is this little one right here in the middle, the small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath your eyes. The medium-sized brush is the one right here. This can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face, so for contouring. And then the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. Wow, these are so soft. And I love the little Valentine's theme going on here with the pink tip brushes. These are super soft. I love this. This brush set retails for $29.99. So already we're getting the box worth because it's only $21 and this itself is $29.99. Crazy. This is the next item that's in the box, and this is the Sugar Plus Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. So it's supposed to be very exfoliating and moisturizing, which is great for the winter months. I already love the packaging. Inside of this comes with, like I said, the moisturizing lip buffer. It's sugar and lemon. Let me smell it to take the little piece off of the top so I can smell it. It smells very sweet and lemony and I love it. It reminds me of spring. This little moisturizing lip buffer is supposed to gently exfoliate and buff your lips, leaving behind smoother skin with a touch of refreshing lemon zest scent. Basically, this is just supposed to help hydrate your dry lips. This retails for $24, and this is from Serafine Botanicals. I probably said that wrong, but that's where this is from. The next item I was super excited about when I saw this. It's the Naked Cosmetic palette, and this is actually the holographic highlighter collection. So it comes with a palette of different highlighters apparently. So let's look inside of it. Oh, okay. This kind of reminds me of a unicorn. Anybody else? Wow, look at that reflection though. These colors look really beautiful. These remind me of kind of like Easter vibes. Easter's coming up. Let me just like swatch one. Let me get this one. Wow, I don't know if you could tell. Can you see? That's one of the highlighters. Some of these colors seem very like I wouldn't use like a blue or, you know, but it comes with a good variety, so that's good. So this is the Naked Cosmetic Highlighter Holographic Collection. This retails for $39.99. This is $40, guys. And let me remind you, this comes in a $21 box, so that is amazing. Again, great deal. The next item comes from Cover FX. This looks like it's going to be a lipstick or something maybe. So this is Shimmer Veil. These multi-use shimmery cream colors are crease proof, enough for the boldest of eye looks, and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. This retails for $28. Let me open it up and see what it looks like. Oh wow! Oh wow, that's very shimmery and bright. So I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. Yeah. Wow. I don't know how. I mean, maybe you could use it for like a little inner corner highlight of your eye, or even this little shimmer to your lips. I don't think I would use this as a highlight. I don't even use highlight anyways, but this is very, it has a pink pigment in it, so whatever you want to do with this, but I think this is very pretty. Very pretty. Perfect for Valentine's, February month. Ooh. And the 5th item in this Boxycharm box is this smoky eye pencil, which retails for $21. This is from Vintage Cosmetics. It says it has a creamy soft formula that glides on the lids without tugging or pulling, so that's good because some eyeliner pencils you really have to like put on there so they could get on your eyelid, but this one, as I kind of just tried it out on my hand, this one went on very smoothly. It just glided on my skin like butter. I kind of needed a new smudgy eyeliner pencil, so I was so happy to see that this was in this month's box. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you guys like this Boxycharm box, I'll leave their link down below to their website if you guys want to sign up for their subscription program. I think there is a waiting list now since Boxycharm has become so popular, so make sure you get on that waiting list ASAP so then you can get your next month's Boxycharm in the mail. And I'm kind of curious to see how much all these products add up to in the box, so let me add it up really quickly. So I added up all the products in the box, and all together this whole box retails for $143. But we only paid $21 for all of these products, which is amazing. So make sure you guys go and get your Boxycharm today. So sign up in the link below. I'll leave it in my description box. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!